inventory control integrates with other modules within Sage 300, and explain the workflow for inventory control transactions. The inventory control module will integrate with other modules of the accounting system. Looking at this process diagram, we can see the inventory control module integrates with order entry, purchase orders, and the general ledger module. For a closer look at the interactions, let's look at some sample transactions. If you were to enter a receipt in the inventory control program, a batch is created in the general ledger with the correct entries. A debit to the inventory control account and a credit to the AP clearing account will be made in this batch entry. It is important to note that the transaction flow between inventory control and the general ledger is one way. When you post a transaction in inventory control, the appropriate entries are created in the general ledger, but posting a general ledger batch will not affect the inventory control or any other modules. Let's have a look at what happens when you process a receipt in the purchase orders program. The purchase order module will look at the inventory control to look for the appropriate vendor cost, inventory, and location where the items are being received. When you post the PO receipt, the PO program will send the appropriate entries to the general ledger, and the PO program will also update the costs and quantities of the inventory within inventory control. Congratulations, you now know how inventory control integrates with other modules within Sage 300.